Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export quiz to MS Word in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Moodle site of your school. Once you are in the website, go to the login page. Over here, enter your username and your password to log in and log into your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to the My Course page. Here you'll find a list of courses. Select the course which has quiz. Just click on it. Now you are in the course page. If you scroll through it, here you can see there is a quiz section. In order to export this to your Microsoft Word, here you can see the More option. Click on it. Now go to Question Bank. If you scroll it down, here you will see a lot of questions related to your quiz. So if you want to export this, here you can see the Edit option. Click on it. Over here you can see the option Export as Moodle XML. So click on this and save it in your device. Once the download is complete, open the file. Click on it. You can open this file using MS Word. So select Word. The file has been exported to MS Word. Here you can see the content of that file. The formatting might differentiate. So that's it. That's how you can export quiz to MS Word in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.